In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the banners component in Joomla. This will guide you through the process of setting up and managing banners effectively on your Joomla website. First, you'll need to log into your Joomla site's administration area, where you have access to all your management tools. Now look at the top menu bar and navigate to Components, and then select Banners. This is where you'll begin building and configuring your banners. Next, you are going to create a new banner. To do this, click on the New button. This action will open a form for you to fill in details about your banner. Here, you will need to give your banner a title. After you have named your banner, decide if you'll use an image or custom banner type. If choosing an image, you'll need to upload that image, otherwise enter your custom code, which might include HTML or JavaScript. Once you have set up the visual side of your banner, enter the URL where you want viewers to be directed when they click on the banner. It's essential to ensure this link is correct, as this directs traffic from your site to the relevant page or external website. Another feature you should consider is whether the banner should be pinned. Pinning your banner means placing it in a specific spot where it remains static, regardless of other content moves on your site. Determine if this applies to your needs. In banner details, there is also an option to set the maximum number of impressions. This figure dictates how many times your banner will appear to users before it stops displaying. Manage these settings according to your promotional goals or advertising contracts. When you're satisfied with your settings, click on Save and Close to store your banner. The next step involves publishing your banner on your site. Head over to Modules in the Joomla backend. Here, you need to add a new module specifically for your banner. Click New, then select Banners from the list. You'll once again need to name your module. This name should reflect its content, making it easy to manage and keep track of later on. Now choose the client and the category under which you want your banner to appear. This helps in segmenting banners by client agreements or campaign categories, maximizing your advertising efforts. Go to the menu assignment section and select the menu items where you want your banner to show up on the front end of your site. To finish, publish the banner module by allocating it to the desired position on your website. Note that Joomla allows you to start and stop publishing modules like you would with articles. Tailor the banner's visibility to match your strategy by utilizing these start and stop settings. And there you have it. You've successfully created, customized, and published a banner that meets your specific website requirements using Joomla's banners component.